are trying to follow him, just block them across. Lord, I've never been this homesick before. That way the inversion stays.
Okay, let's do the chorus again, just at the piano. Just at the piano.
No, you're on the course.
Just go.
Well, see the bright light shine. It's just about home time. And I can see my Father standing at the door. They're sweating in the wilderness, and I'm ready for the deliverance. Oh Lord, I've never been this homesick before.
Hey, Gordon, are you plugged in? Let me hear you. Make sure Gordon's on, okay? Okay, have we got the roadmap on it? There's a
Light in the window, the table set in splendor. Someone standing by the open door. I can see the crystal river. Lord, I must be near forever. I've never been this homesick before. Well, see the bright light shine. It's just about home time, and I can see the Father standing at the door. This world has been a wilderness, and I'm ready for deliverance. Oh Lord, I've never been this homesick before. I can see the family together. Sweet faces are familiar. No one's on a fever anymore. This old lonesome heart is crying. I think I'll spread my wings for flying. I've never been this homesick before. Oh, see the light shine. It's just about home time, and I can see my Father standing at the door. This world is in a wilderness, and I'm ready for deliverance. Oh Lord, I've never been this homesick before. See the bright light shine. It's just about home time, and I can see my Father standing at the door. This one's in a wilderness, and I'm ready for deliverance. Oh Lord, I've never been this homesick before. Lord, I've never been this homesick before. Lord, I've never been this
Oh, yeah. I need more. Four. If you could give me some threes. Four.
Add a 14
Yeah.
to the end of the first line of the tag.
So on the last verse, there will be a major, like somebody else doing the lead part, right?
Oh,
Matthew.
This is maybe unless you get really excited and say, if Michael knows it, say,
But
yeah.
so we can kind of scoot
Okay. But we've got, if we don't want to,
I'm getting my picture taken.
give away all your time. And I'll be
You're welcome.
and I know you
Hey.
keep it all the way.
We are having a blast, y'all. This whole place will be full tonight. And there are still tickets available if you want to come, because they opened up some new seats, which is fantastic. Look at this place. I'm going to give you a view. So look at this. It's kind of in the round. so nobody has a bad seat. It is going to be, the first one was supposed to be the only one, but Bill had so much fun, so the once-in-a-lifetime event became a twice-in-a-lifetime event. And he loves it. He is having the time of his life. Look at this 85-year-old man right here. This man right here. Uh-oh. Didn't mean to do that. Hold on. That man. 85, y'all. And look at him going like the Energizer Bunny. He is the Energizer. Come here, Wes. Y'all. Hey, Mark. This is Wes Hampton. You know Wes, one of the nicest people on earth. And he cooks. Are you following Wes and his cooking show?
Which I haven't done in a while.
Well, Cooking with Brenda Gant is on almost
She's
every day.
amazing. She's amazing.
She's amazing. You need to go visit her. I love her. I'm going to be at her church in Andalusia, Alabama. Go to marklowry.com/tour, and I am going to be at her church sometime, I think in November.
Is that close to Birmingham, do you know?
Andalusia, Alabama, I don't know. You want to come down?
I'd love to. You have this close by.
Wouldn't that be fun? I'll get you up and we'll sing together. Anyway,
Bye, y'all.
All right, y'all. Listen, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to let y'all watch a little more, see what they sing next. How are y'all doing? Hello, Floyd Morris. See, you're watching. Let's see. I would have loved to be there, says Debbie. And then Teresa says, where are you in concert tonight? I missed it. We are at the Mabee Center in Tulsa, Oklahoma. The Mabee Center in Tulsa at Oral Roberts University. Who's paging me? Oh, look. Here's Kevin.
Hey, y'all. What's happening? You just went over. Is that what this is called?
We have 3,000 watching right now.
And there'll be 3 million by the end of the night.
And Kevin, tell them about our new project.
We got a new project together. I don't know if y'all can hear me. We got a duet project. Just 2 of us.
Yeah.
And I'm playing the guitar and Mark is singing, and it works better that way.
And
it's
then,
really good. We got a hymns project.
Yeah.
And we got a Christmas project.
And you get 2 CDs, one with me singing on the tracks, and then one with just Kevin.
Yeah, so you can sing along.
Right.
Once you learn the part, you can sing it. You can take Mark's plum off of it.
That's right.
That's what we do. But we just want you to sing. It's called Sit Up Straight and Sing.
And Simply Christmas. So here we are. I got to get above my chins, you know. It's not really good to take a picture from down here. That's why when you do a selfie, you need to always get above your chins. Plural. Oh, that was a big step.
Jesse, yeah. Thank you, Dad.
So what are y'all doing today on Friday? I can't wait to get back home and start doing Just Whenever again and singing our hymns together. I've missed it as much as y'all have, for those of you who said you had missed it. Bill, what do you think about tonight?
It's going to be exciting.
How excited are you?
Oh, I'm over the top.
How many seats we got available? They opened up some new ones.
Yep, we got seats. Come on.
Yeah, come on, y'all. You don't want to miss this. Starts at 7 tonight, I believe. lost a good right on.
How long is he Taylor? It's probably sweet to neighbors. Tell them how much Jesse took up from little Jim. Now Jimmy's got a daddy, and Jesse's got a family. And Franklin County's got a road.
They baptized Jesse Taylor in Cedar Creek last Sunday. Jesus gained the soul and saved the lost and good right on. May all right, hallelujah, with Jesse's head.